Take a journey on an endless sea on a rite of passage. Dare to stay alive. In the winter, under a wolf moon, the threshold is entered that requires your ultimate courage. The time will come, whether by intent or indifference, you are hurled out to sea altogether.
The boom that was out to kill me has become a friend here in the hammock. Aloha, matey.
Which I left on a new moon the third time this year with this boat. There's something about this boat, Aulani Aloha, and the new moon. And that night to the new moon, no moon, actually right before the new moon, it was a frickin' owl. First time in the 1 year of having this vessel on top of my mast all frickin' night. Woo! 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 I'm like trying to take pictures of it, shining the spotlight on it. It's just woo! Woo!
Some see the ocean as an abyss to race over non-stop, bent on getting to a destination. The ocean is a journey in the moment, through the wheel of life and death, past, present, and future. Don't be fooled by its magical charm and embrace. Rather listen, understand, and hear what it speaks.
Happy New Year's! It's January 1st, pretty much a flat calm, just gentle rollers coming from north, west, east, and systems have collided, and down here, just no wind. First day of no wind, and this is day number 8, 9, I kind of forgot. Anyway, still got a heck of a long ways to go, but appreciate the much needed calm to take care of some maintenance and things that came up along the way. So nice to get those things for the most part done. Anyways, it is beautiful. It's so nice today, just peaceful calm. Saw one merchant ship today. Other than that, we've had no visitors, no whales, no dolphins, no fish, don't know what's up.
Calm inside me, in the space where I can breathe. I believe there is a distance I have wandered to touch upon the years of reaching out and reaching in, holding out, holding.
My new favorite seat. It's January 2nd, and yahoo! We evaded. Fortunately, all the storm systems kept north, and just kind of kept going south a little bit. We're about a third of the way to Hawaii, and we are still en route to the most isolated island chain on the planet. I much more understand that now. I'm on day 12, but I'm actually keeping track of the days by the moon a week at a glance. I have no watch. Actually keep track of time by the sun and the moon, and getting more in touch with nature in a lot of ways, the ancient ways. Got quite a game of endurance out here. I think we're all good to go. Just on the edge of picking up on the trade winds, starting to be back to you with updates. And there's something important to report. Until then, enjoy the snow, the wind, the rain, the freak cities, all that crazy stuff.
As I entered a weather vortex, the calm, I found myself on the hollow of the largest mass graveyard on the planet. The decimation, starvation, absence of life created a loneliness I had never known before.
Like that snowy white owl, what is it doing 120 miles offshore southern Oregon? A lot of these birds of prey, they need fish. If the fish are gone, they're going to go to where the fish are, feed upon each other's, which pelagic birds will do in the absence of stuff to feed upon. Most of the North Pacific is basically a dead zone in terms of anything from this little sardine level up to the big pelagic fish. Sharks. Usually I see sharks on voyages. It's nothing. It's just crazy out here.
You do a lot of talking with and to yourself out here. Cognitive process, the mental verbal action of acquiring knowledge and understanding through your thoughts, experiences, and senses is considered the highest form of intelligence. It's your stroke of genius that ultimately wins the day. You are your best friend. Don't doubt yourself.
Sunset. And the moonrise. Pretty cool. Getting ready for the full moon festival on board Aulani Aloha. Just enjoying sunset out over there. As we are almost halfway to Hawaii, about 1,300 miles away. We are now about 1,200 miles from Morro Bay, Santa Barbara, San Diego. Right on the edge of the equatorial current and the California current. Caught a mahi-mahi, good fish, good eating today. Anyways, it's going to be a good one. Too bad you're not here. Arr. Happy new moon. Full moon. Left on a new moon. Darkest day of the year last year. And now out here, the new year, the first full moon. 14 days.
Come out at night.
The full moon.
That's when the energy comes and the dark side's light and the vampires roll.
That night took all the strength I had to stay alive. You reach deep into your reservoir of soul, hoping there is more. You discover something as magnificent as the heavens above and sea below.
Sham Radhe Radhe Sham, Sham Radhe Radhe Sham, Sham Radhe Sham, Sham Radhe Radhe Sham, Sham Radhe Radhe Sham.
Been a little bit of a tough go. Unable to raise mainsail, so been rowing. Not rowing. Bam bam boo boo. Meow, you heard? We not walk many days. We beat the Plegosaurus to death. And I was just saying things I shouldn't be saying. Potty mouth of the sea. Hair bleached black. Rope. Iron. Buckle. Put me in better spirits then.